If you're selling a SaaS product, your sales team needs effective strategies and sales funnels with worthwhile leads that actually convert into long-term customers. If you're looking to improve lead quality, build lasting relationships, and make more sales, here's your new SaaS sales guide. Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy and welcome back to B2B Sales and Lead Generation. Before jumping into strategies for skyrocketing your leads, here's why proper lead gen is crucial for SaaS companies. In the SaaS model, as you likely know, end users pay to access and use your company's software, usually in the form of a monthly or annual subscription. With proper lead gen, you don't need to take shots in the dark. Instead, you can identify relevant end users, market to them, and convert them into paying customers. Most SaaS companies have competitors, so if you can use these strategies, you'll stand out. And plus, none of these methods require you to run expensive ad campaigns. With that said, here's how to generate leads and do it well. This first evergreen strategy for acquiring new high-quality leads is website optimization. Think of it this way. You're out fishing, you have your fishing poles, your boat, and you're like really good at fishing. But if you forget your bait, you're not catching any fish because they ain't gonna come to you on their own. And that's exactly what happens with your target audience when you don't have an optimized website. You're out there waiting for leads that won't ever find you. This is why search engine optimization is an essential first step. If the back end of your site is categorized and can be read correctly by search engines, you'll just get more traffic. Usually your marketing department should take care of this, but if you're just getting started, try SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush. Once you have your SEO down, you'll want engaging, powerful landing pages with clear messaging. This is especially true when it comes to your pricing page. You'll have a hard time converting potential customers if your page is complex, hard to read, or don't have a clear call to action. A lot of SaaS platforms, including Uplead, offer a free trial or a risk-free demo so you can reel your audience in, unlike those fish you didn't catch earlier. A free trial is the best way to capture an interested lead without commitment and turning them into a paying customer after they're already bought in. Landing page optimization usually gets taken care of by the marketing teams too. But if you're just starting out or have a smaller budget, tools like Unbounce are great for testing out your pages and increasing efficiency. In sales, we can't talk about website optimization without mentioning lead magnets. Using effective lead magnets like white papers, guides, and industry updates can also help you get new contact info. Your lead magnets must provide real value to gain their trust. If you want to be different, you can use an exclusive video in exchange for a prospect's email. And speaking of video, this brings me to the last point about websites. To generate and convert more leads from your site, create engaging content like search-optimized blogs and videos. Try embedding demo videos on your site that sell them on your service before you've even reached out. This shows your prospects how your product or service works instead of just telling them. Customer testimonials videos and case studies are inexpensive and engaging content. Also, high-quality on-page content like blog posts can set your SaaS business apart as an authority in your industry. Plus, you gain trust over your competitors. And before we move on to cold outreach, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Cold emailing is a quick, cost-effective cold outreach method that can help you reach a lot of prospects. But the efficacy depends on the quality of your lead list, your message content, and how many emails you send. If you need help with cold emails, we have videos about how to craft the best cold emails, subject lines, email follow-ups, and tons of templates to help you get started, which you can find in the description below. Once you're nearing the bottom of your funnel and you've qualified your leads, cold calling can be another effective cold outreach method for following up. A lot of people swear off cold calling, but statistically, around 70% of buyers have accepted at least one cold call in the past year. And they're even more likely to pick up and hear you out if they've already heard of your business or are looking for a solution just like yours. So you have nothing to lose by trying it. But your emails and calls will only go as far as how accurate your contact list is and how targeted your leads are. That's why the source of your prospect data is something to consider. Choose a prospector tool that can actually target prospects who are likely to convert. Uplead's prospector tool guarantees the highest quality B2B lead data with 95% data accuracy, real-time email verification, and intent data so you can waste less time and make more sales. But more on that in a minute. All right, let's dive into the final evergreen strategy for skyrocketing leads. By harnessing the power of referrals, also known as word-of-mouth marketing and content marketing, you'll be increasing your sales in no time. Usually, we trust our friends friends' opinions the most, which is why we ask them for recommendations on shows, hairdressers, clothing brands, you name it. But not only do referrals work with people we know in real life, they also work with people we follow online. According to the Digital Marketing Institute, social media influencer campaigns actually earn $6 for every $1 spent. Can't get much more cost-effective than that. Try reaching out to influencers who have audiences that match your target audience. Tapping into social platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram is key for reaching new audiences. Each of these platforms have billions of monthly users, so your brand can get in front of people and businesses who may not have actively searched for your solution on their own. You can also strengthen your word-of-mouth marketing by rewarding active customers through a referral program. Giving awards and incentives for existing loyal customers to bring in new ones is a simple way to grow your SaaS business. Just look at Dropbox, which increased its customer base by 3,900% over the course of 15 months with a referral program. So now that you understand the strategies that work, you have to know how to make the SaaS lead generation process super efficient so that it actually works for you. Good news, you can use Uplead to streamline lead generation. We offer nearly twice the industry standard of data accuracy for lead gen platforms and can help your SaaS business grow by finding accurate contact info on your target audience. By using real-time email verification, Uplead stops the cycle of wasted time, money, and resources on bad data and blocked domains. Learn more about how it works in this video, which is linked below. Get started with a 7-day free trial and 5 free credits to access our entire database and all of our features by heading over to uplead.com/YouTube or clicking the link in the description. If you feel confident about skyrocketing your leads and sales, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos on lead gen, B2B sales, cold outreach, and more. Thanks for stopping by our channel, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.